This tutorial will show you how to access the ABC Clio database. From the Triton High School website, under School Info, choose Academics, then Library. From the Student Resources tab on the left, you're going to choose ABC Clio under Databases. The username and password for both is Triton RHS, Triton Regional High School. And once you have logged in, it should save that information. We have 4 different databases to choose from. For this assignment, I'm going to search only in the Modern Genocide database, and I'm going to search on Israel, Palestine. And you can see here on the left the results. Under Modern Genocide, there are 41 references. There are images, there are definitions of terms that are related to this topic, but I'm going to look at this reference article, which is the first result. You can see that the terms I searched on are highlighted here. There are links, and then there are additional reference articles over here on the left. You can click here to get the link. You could email it to yourself, and over on the right, you can click the Cite button and export it to Noodle Tools. As always, check in with a librarian for help with your research. Good luck.